How to use the if formula. The formula is designed to assess a criteria and give a true or false response in your personalized wording or calculation. So when you type equals to if, the logical test is your criteria being evaluated. The true value is what you would put in as a response, and a false value is your false response if it is not true. So let's look at the example below to get a better hand on this. So here we have a list of drivers that have purchased fuel for a month in total, and those that have purchased more than $6.50 in total for the month are entitled to a $20 coupon. So we want to write a formula that will help us identify those easily. So we would type equal to if, open parentheses, we'll select the cell value, we'll say if when that is above 650, comma, then the true value, the true personalized response should be $20 coupon. Notice that it's in double quotation marks to say it's text. Then comma to put in the false response if it's not, if the requirement is not met. In this case, we just want to keep it blank, so we'll have double quotation, close parentheses, enter. We'll copy that and paste it down. And there we go. Personalized response saying Sandra, Taryn, and Chloe, both being above 650, are entitled to the $20 coupon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about this formula and others we provide training on, go ahead and click the link somewhere on the screen or even down below in our description. And we provide a practice workbook so that you can have hands-on experience too. Thanks for watching.